Okay, guys, so yesterday what we did is we talked about what is a kernel essay, okay, and why would I want to use one of these to help me when I'm planning what I want to write about, okay? Guys, a kernel essay is going to help us look at our 4 things we kind of chose, maybe you have more than 4, and decide which one's going to be the best story, which story is worth telling. So I did 2 yesterday. I did one about our new puppy and one about teaching Ty to cook. Today I'm going to do one about the dolphins, and then I'm also going to do one about Christmas Eve, and I'll get to pick at the end which one I really want to write about. Which one do I think is the best? Okay, so we're going to see. I think I have room right here. We'll see. Let's start with Christmas Eve. All right, so first thing you write, remember, where were you? Let's see. I was at my Aunt Betty's house. For Christmas Eve. Okay, what happened first? Everyone started to arrive and munch on tasty treats. Okay, the third thing is what happened next. Next, we played a game called White Elephant. Okay, I'm going to do this because I ran out of room. I'm just going to go over here. Number 4 is what happened last. Before everyone left, my Aunt Betty bred us the night before Christmas. And number 5, what did I learn or what did I notice? I learned that we don't have enough holidays to make special memories. Okay, remember, what you're learning is always got to come back to about how you're having a special time with your family, right? Okay, because that's what we're writing about. I'm going to do this because those all kind of go together. All right, so I'm going to do my last one up here. This is going to be my dolphin kernel. Okay. Number 1, where was I? One morning at sunset or sunrise, while camping, my family was taking a morning swim. Okay, what happened first? The water was very calm with almost no waves. And this is at the beach, so that was kind of crazy. What happened next? We saw a huge fin come out of the water and scare us. We thought it was a shark. Okay, what happened last? A pod of dolphins began playing around us. So what did I learn? Let's see. I learned that being in nature with your family is a great opportunity to make special memories. Okay, and I want you to notice my handwriting is not super neat on these. These are my rough copy. This is my just trying to figure out what I want to write about. And I know I put a lot of work into figuring out what I want to write about, but that's important because you don't want to start writing something and realize that it's not going to be a very good story. All right, so now we get the opportunity to pick which one we want to write about. So when you're done with your fourth kernel essay, I want you to pick, what do you think is going to be the best story to tell me? Okay, what am I going to enjoy reading the most? All right. I think I really want to kind of lead towards this because there's some great things I can write about when it comes to how I felt because we were scared and then we were excited, like the way we felt changed. I think this is going to be great because I can do some good descriptions and really help you be in that moment with me, and that's going to be important. All right, so when you pick which one you want to write about, you're going to have to tell me today and make that choice on the next page. All right, I can't wait.